Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from DoorDash Crimson Card. To withdraw money from DoorDash Crimson Card, you can use a contactless ATM by adding the card to your digital wallet, Apple or Google Wallet, and tapping your phone to the ATM, or by using the physical card at any MoneyPass ATM or other Visa ATMs, paying any applicable out-of-network fees. Alternatively, you can use the card at a merchant that accepts Visa or transfer funds from your account to another digital wallet or bank account. Using a contactless ATM virtual card, add a digital wallet. In the Dasher app, go to the Earnings tab, then DoorDash Crimson, and select Add to Apple or Google Wallet to add your virtual Crimson card. Locate ATM. Find an ATM with a contactless symbol, such as those at some Chase, PNC, Wells Fargo, or Walgreens locations. Tap your phone near the contactless symbol on the ATM to start. Follow the on screen instructions and enter your PIN to get your cash. Using a physical ATM, find an ATM. Use the ATM finder on your MoneyPass website to locate free ATMs. Insert your physical Crimson card into any Visa accepting ATM and complete the withdrawal using your PIN. Using the Crimson card like a debit card at any retail store or restaurant displaying the Visa symbol. Digital wallets. Add your Crimson card to other digital wallets like Cash App to transfer funds or make payments more easily. Direct deposit. Ensure your direct deposit is set up in the Dasher app to receive earnings directly to your account. Check your balance. Use the Dasher app's Earnings tab to view your available balance. Fees and limits. Withdrawals at non MoneyPass ATMs may incur a $2 out of network fee, and third party ATM operators may also charge their own fees. Always check the DoorDash Crimson deposit account agreement and fee schedule for specific details on limits and fees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.